Okay, let's start. First, to screw a panel case. Screw the panel case and to put down a system unit and to remove system keys. And then show the components and to put it the wire, put it wires.
Hanap ko'y liwanag din. Ako'y nagtataka
Remove wires
iba ang aking nadarama.
Pull it HDD
Buhay ko'y
and screw the power supply.
Wala nang ika'y
remove the screw the CPU fan and pull out and
kaya kong ibalik ang
remove the RAM
at tinamuhin magkamaling
remove the CPU
iwanan ka
and remove
sa
GPU graphics processing unit and
ikaw pa rin
screw the motherboard and pull it
ang yakap
bring down
hanap ko sa
see the component of the system unit.
Ako'y nagtataka
Disassemble to screw a motherboard.
ang aking nadarama. Buhay ko'y
CPU
wala nang ika'y iwanan ko.
cover a CPU
sa pag-ibig mo
install a power supply. Screw a power supply.
Mahakan sa labi maghihintay
Return to HDD hard disk drive
sa muling pagtipon
and
ng
return into wireless HDD
at tinamuhin
and return to GPU graphics processing unit and return to wireless main motherboard and go back to the CPU fan and heatsink to screw. Return to motherboard and CPU. Screw the CPU fan and heatsink and return to the CPU case, system case.